Russian President Vladimir Putin has said that an attack by his forces on the eastern Ukrainian city of Dnipro on Thursday morning was carried out using a new conventional intermediate-range missile. He said that the missile condemned Oreshnik was a response to the use by Ukraine of US and UK long-range weaponry to hit targets inside Russia. Putin added that Russia could attack military facilities of those countries which allowed their weapons to be used for this purpose. The US and the UK authorized the use of US ATACMS and UK supplied Storm Shadow missiles this week in a major change of policy. Meanwhile, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said Russia's use of the new missile was a clear and severe escalation in the scale and brutality of this war.
He said it was a hypersonic. He said it was a brand new development.
Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said use of the missile was an obvious.
নগদের সর্বোচ্চ বার 167 টাকা রিচার্জে পাবেন 1 লাখ টাকা পুরস্কার। আরও আছে প্রতি সপ্তাহে পুরস্কার ও ক্যাশব্যাক।